Yo guys, finally, we're gonna be doing a full review and on feed over the upcoming Air Jordan 9 Cool Grays. One of my ultimate grails growing up as a kid. I've always wanted these. So in today's video, like I said, we're gonna break these things down, check out the couple different aspects of the sneaker, and of course, throw them on feet. So let's get into today's video, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping in, but your boy, The Vintage, is back. And we are back with an early on feet and review. These things drop this weekend. I think the retail tag is like $210. Let me check right now. But if you guys are new here to the channel right now, I need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and of course, man, run them likes up. You guys know the likes help. It helps the channel grow, and it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content, man. So do those great things for me, and of course, we're gonna keep that content rolling, man. And before we even get into this review, I think it's important to note some of the outside factors when it comes to this release over the Cool Gray 9s. We have a stacked weekend. It's a stacked weekend, bro. We have Air Jordan 4 Brick by Bricks coming out. We have the Foam Posit Green Volts coming out, and we have these right here. So it is loaded releases, and people are gonna pick and choose what they're gonna cop. People have been a lot more selective over the last couple of months, and I do feel like that's because last year, man, we got a bunch of stuff that Nike could have really kept. If I'm being honest, they dropped some stuff that we honestly didn't need, in my honest opinion. So now people are like, you know what? Let's be selective this year. And again, bro, it's gonna be one of them things. Are you gonna get the Brick by Bricks? If you take a long nose, or you can get the foams, you're not a foam fan, or you can get a clean pair of crispy Air Jordan 9 Cool Grays. That's gonna be for you to decide. The Brick by Bricks are going to be, available, but they're not going to be easily accessible as, of course, like I said, these Air Jordan 9 Cool Grays. So it's going to be one of them things, bro. You're going to get FOMO. You're going to want some retail therapy. How is your weekend going to go? And that's why I want you guys to go ahead and comment in the comment section. So yes, man, these do release this weekend on the 14th, and the retail tag is $210. What is the extra $10 for? I don't know. Maybe it's the inflation. Maybe it's because we got the Cool Grays back in general. I'm not too sure. But if you do not know, man, so I always tell you guys to subscribe. I dropped a video, I think about a month ago. I've had these for a while now, just not getting around to the review no feed. Want to wait till it got a little bit closer, but these drop early overseas on Kickscrew, and they dropped them for retail. Of course, you had to pay the shipping and fees and stuff, so it came out to like $260, but still for a clean, crispy pair of kicks early, and something I've always wanted. I think that was a steal in my opinion. I broke these things out early when I went to the Atlanta Hawk versus the OKC Thunder. Thought them Jones was crispy, fit was crispy, and of course, man, the kicks just put it over the top, man. This is a shoe that we actually seen Jordan rocking. I'll put some pictures up on the screen, but Jordan was actually rocking these things when he played for the Washington Wizards, which a lot of people probably don't know. They're like, yo, where is the Chicago? Where the Breads? Where the stuff he wore originally back in the 90s, you know what I'm saying? In the 80s and 90s, that's what people want. But he actually did wear these when he played for the Washington Wizards. That didn't really stick out to me. I really like these because of the colorway, that cool gray. I love the cool gray theme on 5s, on the 4s, on the 3s. We got a cool gray in pretty much every single silhouette, except for the Jordan 1 and the 2s. I know everything else pretty much has it, so I do really love the cool gray theme that we get, man. I love it. And like I said, man, we actually seen Jordan rocking this classic. So this might be something that's a sleeper, honestly, if you think about all the releases coming out, but still, nonetheless, this is a fire pair of Air Jordan 9s. Of course, you got your 2-3 on the back right there with your white globe right under the pull tabs. Everything is grayed out except for the laces. Go ahead and flip that around. So you got your white traditional rope laces for these Air Jordan 9s, and you have Air Jordan going across the tongue right here. The quality, I must say, man, this nubuck suede is really, really good. Nice material. I wore these for an entire day. I just did the on feet, and you can see, man, they're holding up pretty well. Of course, over time, this translucent gray on the outsole is gonna get a little dirty, so you guys can see I put some miles in these things when I did wear them last month already? Dang, man, time is flying. I wore these last month, And you guys, of course, you're gonna get your heel drag. You're gonna get a little dirt on the white. But of course, you guys know the infamous Jordan 9 outsole. You have a bunch of like graphics. And you also have a bunch of wording going down the inside of the toe box right here. You guys know what I'm talking about if you have a couple different pairs of Air Jordan 9. So did something a little crazy with these right here, but it is an entire translucent bottom with your white kind of like, I think it's like a foam material, not a carbon fiber, on the plate of these Air Jordan 9s. And something I love about Air Jordan 9s, it almost gives you like a boot feel, if I must say. And you get this dope white midsole right here with your white Jumpman on the heel right here popping out. These things are super, super comfortable. I gotta be honest with y'all. Again, I wore these for an entire day. I was walking up and down the streets, walking up and down the malls, and they did not fail me at all. So again, man, the comfortability definitely gotta be like an 8 out of 10. And I would be curious to see how I would hoop in these, because I used to hoop in 10s all the time, but now I have to wear these for a very long time. And one day, I bet these things are super comfortable on the court, man. And sizing, I know you guys are gonna ask me about sizing. I would honestly go true to size, because of course, with an Air Jordan 9, it fits a little bit more on the bulkier side, but again, you do have that extra padding on the inside of sneakers. So it's almost like you have an entire separate unit on the inside. You guys know what I'm talking about if you have a pair of 9s. It's like this extra cushioning around the ankle and around the tongue right here, netted all the way down to the sneaker. So it kind of gives you more of a compact feel, but again, it's more of a bulkier fit in my opinion. So I would go true to size in these Air Jordan 9 Cool Gray. And I can't believe I got this far without showing you guys the box. You guys can see you have an Air Jordan up top, all gray box. Flip this thing around right here, and then official colorway reads Air Jordan 9 Retro, medium gray, cool gray and white. And again, got them in the size 9.5, true to size, and I've been putting some miles in these things, man. I had to have them in the collection. You guys let me know down below in the comment section, man, will you be securing a pair of the Cool Grays? This is something that you gotta have. Is it a pass? Is it a cop? What's going on? Y'all let me know the vibes for the Cool Grays. But again, one of the ones that I had to have in the collection. Screams nostalgia, screams classic, and I've always wanted these since the first day I seen these joints. So again, super happy to have these and super happy to bring you guys this early look before the drop. And I can get all you guys' thoughts and opinions in the comment section over this release. Gonna be grabbing, passing. What's up with these Cool Gray 9s, man? I appreciate all the support. Again, thank you guys so much for tapping in. Run them likes up, subscribe to the channel. And with all that's been said, man, your boy DaVincis gonna catch you guys in the next video. Enjoy this on feet.
Give me the loot. Might lose some battles, but winning the war. I get knocked down, I get back up, get up and go. I stay ready for more. Go toe to toe till I level the score. Never gon' quit. Heard you seen some, but you never seen this. Bet on myself 8 times, no trick. Trust. Give me the loot. See now we going high stakes. This ain't clickbait. This a risk take. This no mistake. I was born to do it. I was born for music. I just get into it. I can't get influence when I'm the influence. No genre music. We go rap back to pop, pop back to rap. Country on the track. I was once broke, I was down bad. Swear I'm never going back. I'm from upstate where we see a little bit of this and some of that. Little city and some sticks. Watch me put it on the map. Someone get attacked. If you're not first, you're last. Life is a race, don't you lag. I get a bag and I stack. The reason I taxed was not cause they needed me. Got all of mine equally. I see what they need from me. Blood, sweat, and tears from the frequency. Now you believe in me. Cheers for me. Give me the loot. Might lose some battles, but winning the war. I get knocked down, I get back up, get up and go. I stay ready for more. Go toe to toe till I level the score. Never gon' quit. Heard you seen some, but you never seen this. Bet on myself 8 times, no trick. Trust. Give me the loot. Word on my palm at the top of the game. Still unashamed, no one to blame. Took all the L's and I rose from the pain. Can't have the sun without seeing the rain. And it rained down when the rain came. See the time change, rolling plain Jane. You and me are not the same, stop saying things. Yeah, they talk, I don't say a lot.